In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Weebly. If you're looking to add a personal touch to your website or just want to refresh its appearance, adjusting the background color is a great place to start. Thankfully, Weebly makes this process straightforward and user-friendly, so even if you're new to website design, you can follow along with ease. When you open your Weebly website editor, you'll notice that your site is structured in sections. Think of these as the building blocks of your site, each serving a different purpose, like your header, content area, or footer. Each section can have its own unique background color, allowing you to customize the aesthetic of your site section by section. To change a section's background color, you'll want to start by hovering over the section where you'd like to make the change until it highlights and draws your attention. Once you've identified the section you want to modify, look for the Edit Background button. This should appear as you hover over the section, typically located towards the top right corner. Clicking on Edit Background will open up a range of customization options. This is where the magic happens. You'll be greeted by the background editing interface, and one of your primary tools here is the color picker. This handy tool allows you to select from a wide spectrum of colors simply by clicking around the palette to find the perfect hue that fits your design vision. If you're striving for consistency or have specific branding guidelines to follow, you might already have a specific color in mind. In this case, you can directly enter the hex code for the exact color you're looking to use. This is especially useful when you want to ensure a perfect match with other elements on your site or align with your brand's primary colors. Remember, changing the background color can significantly impact the feel and mood of your website. So take some time to experiment with various options until you find what feels right. Try considering the overall color scheme of your website and how the new background color will fit with text and images. Light background colors with dark text, for instance, typically offer the best readability. Once you're satisfied with your new background color, you can close the editing interface and your changes will be automatically saved. And that's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've added a fresh touch to your website that can make a big visual impact. Whether you're doing this for a complete redesign or just a subtle tweak, you've got the tools and know-how to make it happen in Weebly. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and happy designing!